Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick hands-on with the new Amazon Fire TV stick which is launched recently. So this is a 2020 edition. This has improved features including a new quad-core processor, support for Dolby, and HDR content is supported. So that's the difference. So this is not a 4K TV, it's a 1080p resolution TV, and you can see that this is the box package. You have support for Netflix, YouTube, ZEE5, MX Player, Voot, then a lot of OTT platforms are supported. Of course, you will need the subscription for these platforms to access it, but these are supported. And if you have a pretty old TV, which may not be a smart TV or an Android TV, if it has an HDMI port, you can actually connect this and connect it to the Wi-Fi and make it smart with the Amazon Fire TV stick. So you can have all these OTT platforms with your older TV. You don't have to upgrade, you just have to buy this. Now this is the pricing is actually 4,999, but now it's available for 3,999. You can get it from Amazon India. We'll share the link in the description of this video. So this is the Amazon Fire TV stick, and you can see that what's included: Fire TV stick, Alexa voice remote, batteries, power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender cable, and you need a high speed Wi-Fi connection, and you need an HDMI input port on your TV. So you can even connect to a display, the normal PC display, but if you have an HDMI port, you can do that as well. Now this has the new version has some additional features like the Dolby support and HDR support, and we have a quad-core processor, 1080p resolution, and Wi-Fi support, and you can see that Alexa is also included here. So this is the one. So we'll just open this and we'll show you what all comes inside the box. Then we'll also show you how to configure it. So this is the box package. So you can see the Amazon logo here. Let's take one by one. So we have the remote, the cable, the actual device, and then we also get this extender. You can see that there is also included, and you get the manual and warranty information. Then we also have something else, so batteries and the power adapter. So these are the steps coming inside the box. You can see here this is the extender, this is the HDMI, the regular HDMI port extender, and then you get the power adapter, the device, again the regular USB cable to power this on, and the remote, and the user guide how to get started. So all the details are included. So just need to connect and then you can select the HDMI port on your TV or any other display port, and then you can just power it on. We'll just show you all those things. So these are the things coming in the box. So this is the actual device, the Amazon Fire TV stick. So it's a very small thing, very similar to the Mi stick, and you can see that this is the power cable. It's a micro USB port. You can see that this is the cable and the adapter. And this is quite useful if your port cannot accommodate this big size. This is quite useful. You can see that this is the same HDMI port. You can use this flexible cable to extend it from the back of the TV. Some TVs are crammed in terms of ports, so this may not be compatible because of the thickness. So in such cases you can use this extender, and these are the ones for the battery for the remote. So we'll just take the remote out. So this is the remote, and you can see it's Amazon Alexa compatible, and you can see the voice assistant as well, and you can see the basic functionalities, mute function, and the next and the pause and the play button, and you can also see the volume keys. So now we are in the setup process. You can choose the language. Then now it's configuring the Fire TV. Now you need to enter your Wi-Fi network here. So we just configure the Wi-Fi network. So next step is to sign in with your Amazon account. So you can go ahead and sign in with your Amazon account. You can see the amazon.com/code and enter this code there. So now once you're completed, you can see all the services here, which popular services you want. You can see that all the services are there here. Music, then if you want original shows, news, and you can see that a whole lot of things are included here, including Apple TV, Sun Next, and the news channels are there. Then entertainment and music, movies are also included. So all of these are included here. You can see that we'll just take one of these. So Netflix, you can see here You can select all of them, and this is the home screen. You can see that this is the home screen. So you can see that manage and monitor data consumption on Fire TV, that also is included. You can see that you can actually check how much data is being used. So these are the configured options. You can see that everything, whatever you configured, will be available here. So you can actually start playing your favorite shows. You can see that all the options are there. Then apps, you can see that all the apps which are available here is being offered here. You can see entertainment, learning, all the apps which are supported here are included here. You can just open it, and you can even add to the home screen whenever you need them. So these are the options available. So these are apps supported, and we'll just come back to the home screen once again. So you can see here settings. You can see that notification, network, and all those things are included here for your easy access. So these are the options included, and this is how you can configure the Amazon Fire TV stick. So that is a quick video on the Amazon Fire TV stick setup and hands-on. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.